Okay, so this is going to be reading for the sign of Aries. So what you guys can possibly expect for the next, let's take 10 days. Okay. Right now with the Lovers card, you definitely have someone. You are not completely single. Okay, this person for some of you could be a Taurus, or someone who is little unemotional, or someone who comes off very detached. Okay, but there is a very strong sexual chemistry you people share. Okay, so you being Aries, you like people who are dominant, who are stronger, who are physically, you know, someone who stands out. Okay, so right now with the Four of Swords, you guys could be still trying to, you know, like talking to each other as friends, but soon I believe it is going to move forward. Okay, so one card for what's happening in Aries life right now. What's going to happen in Aries life right now? Card for that. What's going to happen in Aries life right now? With right now with Queen of Pentacles, I believe some of you are trying very hard to focus on your family life. You guys are trying to heal your own old childhood issues. Some of you, not all of you, but some of you, you guys are trying to find what's really blocking you from completely being open to relationships. For some of you, you guys are being very concerned about your family life, about your finances, about your career. You guys are working really hard in order to get stable in life. Okay, one more card. What's happening in Aries life right now? Female spirit. What's happening in Aries soulmates right now overall? In terms of your partner, I believe with Six of Pentacles, this person might be financially very well off, but still is coming forward towards you as someone who, in terms of relationship, this person is still breadcrumbing you, like not giving you more than you deserve. Okay, and I believe to some point that this person is kind of like friend zoning you, or trying to friend zone you in some which way. They are not exactly like treating you like you guys are more than a like in a relationship basically. This person might somewhat flirt with you and all that shit, but still not treating you like a like a partner. Okay, that's something I see. What's happening in their life, if we know spirit? What's happening in Aries soulmate's life right now? What will happen in Aries soulmate's life right now? What will happen in Aries soulmate's life right now? This person might get a lot of attention as well. Okay, so you are not the only person that he or she might talk to. Right now with Five of Pentacles, for some of you, for selected few of you, this person in some which way could be going through some financial issues. Okay, they are not doing well financially. At the start, they could have told you that they are financially well off, which is somewhat coming off as false. Okay, so be careful about that. I believe this person is ghosting you or giving you false information based on their finances. Okay, I don't think your person is well-to-do, to be honest. I believe this person is struggling financially. Something is definitely concerning them in terms of finances and future. Okay, top card we have is King of Cups. So in terms of this connection, I do feel on some which level that this person will be like open towards you in the next few days. Like emotional, this person will be a lot more active. Like this person will express more than they have so far. Okay, one card for the overall energy between the two of you. One card for the overall energy between Aries and their soulmate. One card for the overall energy between Aries and their soulmate. What Aries needs to know. What's the overall energy going to be like between Aries and their soulmate moving forward? Yeah, just like I told you, with Knight of Cups, I believe you both are wanting to express your love that you have for each other. In the past, someone could have been trying to run away from their own feelings. I believe it's not you. You guys are very straightforward, to a fault sometimes. But you guys do want to see and like express what you truly feel, and you guys, I don't think you guys are going to hold yourself back when it comes to expressing emotionally and sexually. You guys are very dominant. I like Aries, to be honest. Okay, so I do feel like you both will be a lot expressive towards each other, a lot sweeter. I also see communication coming in. To some which level, your partner at the current moment might feel like you are not giving them the attention that they need. Okay, you might both feel this way. Okay, one card for their energy towards you now. One card for Aries soulmates energy towards Aries. What's Aries soulmates energy going to be towards Aries moving forward? One card for Aries soulmates energy towards Aries. In terms of energy, this person is holding back. Like, they are watching you from a distance. They are definitely stalking you. This person is wanting you to take time in order to process what's happening between the two of you. You guys might not want to understand this, but you guys are very fast. You guys don't want to wait. And this person might be someone who's very much slow in terms of moving forward. They take their own sweet time in order to take action. For some of you, this might be a water sign, a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, and this person in some which way is taking their own sweet time in order to understand what's happening, like between the two of you, in order to react in terms of how they should come forward and what they should say. They are trying to understand what they truly feel for you, how they feel for you, and they are watching you from a distance. To some which point, I feel this person stalks you online as well. So like possibly going through your social media, your pictures, your comments, and stuff like that. With Strength card, I still feel a sense of resistance from their side. Them holding back. This could also be a Leo for some of you. Okay, we have the Strength card here. So one card for how are they possibly going to come forward towards you now? How are they possibly going to come forward towards you now? What can my dear Aries expect in terms of their person's action towards them? Or how are they possibly going to come forward towards Aries moving forward? How are they possibly going to come forward towards Aries moving forward? Yeah, with Ace of Swords, you guys will get communication. So you guys can very much expect communication. Okay, I see a very strong sign that this person has been holding back, but I do see communication coming in. They do not want to lose you in any which way. Yes, this all might be all new to them. Sometimes Aries is very fast. They like to go about things at a very fast pace. But other signs are not, darling, and you have to understand that. You have to be patient with other signs. They take their own sweet time before wanting to express, wanting to believe, wanting to trust. So some people do take time. And you should give them the time if it's necessary. Okay, so that's something I see so far. So communication is definitely coming in. They want to start communication. Okay, and this person whenever you do not communicate, this person freaks out a little. Okay, so one card for their feelings towards you, one card for their overall feelings for you. How do they truly feel for Aries now? What are their overall feelings for Aries? What are their overall feelings for the sign of Aries for the next 10 days? Some of you might even be connecting with the Libra. We see the scales there, so that might also be happening. In terms of feelings, this person has feelings for you. Okay, even if they are hiding these feelings from you with the Strength card at the bottom, I do feel honestly, very honestly, that this person has feelings for you. They might not be very expressive. They might be mature, but sometimes people can not want to express like before it's needed. They want to take their time. They want to understand you. They want to understand the connection. They want to know you better and then possibly move it forward. But right now, as of now, they might still be treating you as a friend, even though they have feelings for you. Okay, with the Queen of Wands, I see them being a lot more like flirtatious around you now, flirting, a lot of communication, a lot of sexual remarks as well. So yeah, you guys like it. Come on, who doesn't? Being a fire sign, you would always like that. You like passionate stuff. So I believe this is going to be a passionate week for you coming forward. So one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for Aries soulmates intentions towards Aries. Aries soulmates true intentions towards Aries moving forward. With King of Wands, this person definitely wants to take action now. This person is definitely interested, very, very interested. Okay, so yes. Bottom card is 4 of Wands. Top card is 9 of Pentacles. So on some which terms this person could have had issues with commitment. If it's not you, it's them, okay? But someone in this connection definitely has issues with commitment. You guys are not really wanting to get committed so soon, okay? If it's not them, it could be you as well, okay? But I do see issues with commitment here. With Five of Swords, someone is wearing a false mask, like they are not really saying things that they truly mean, like in a good way, of course. Like if they have feelings for you, they are not behaving that way. They are behaving very like friendly with you, which is not really bad, but still, okay. One card for what action are they wanting to take towards you now. What action are they truly wanting to take towards the sign of Aries moving forward? What action are they truly want to take towards the sign of Aries moving forward? With Queen of Swords, this person definitely wants to talk to you now. They want to communicate. When they come forward, they might come forward in a very detached manner. Like this person doesn't start, like emotionally. This person might also have air in their chart, like moon sign or rising, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. And when you have air in your chart, that's natural for them. They are not very, very expressive when it comes to their feelings. Yes, they might flirt with you, but if you are still wanting that emotional connection, it's going to take time, darling. You'll have to wait, and you'll have to possibly give them time. Like before opening up, okay? So yeah, one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for the next few days? Where this connection is possibly moving forward for Aries and their soulmate. One card for where this connection is possibly moving forward for Aries and their soulmate. For some of you, this might move towards commitment, okay? With Five of Swords, you guys are still not trusting them. You have trust issues, I believe, because of your past, okay? But I do feel on some which level, even if they come off in the next few days and this move towards commitment, you are not completely trusting this, okay? So that's something I see for now. So what are they wanting from you at the current moment? One card for what are they truly wanting from you? One card for what are they truly wanting from Aries? For now, they want you to move, like possibly go with the flow, okay? They do not want you to burden them with many questions. For some of you, if this person needs your help in any which way, they might want you to help them with whatever they need your assistance with, okay? So I believe if this person is burdened with work or financial issues or any emotional issues, they want you to help them or be there for them, okay? They want your physical presence around them, okay? So that's something I see for now, okay? And this person does not like to be asked many questions. So if you are one of those who asks many questions, then this person might not exactly like that, okay? They find it very burdening, okay, to be honest. So let's take love messages from your person. Love messages from Aries soulmate to Aries now. What are they wanting to say that they haven't said so far? Aries soulmate, second message from Aries soulmate to Aries now. We'll have to delay this for some time. So they want you to give them time. I believe they want you to possibly delay this for some time. Okay. One more card for what Aries soulmate wanting to say to Aries now. We have you are on my mind 24/7. So this person thinks a lot about you, okay? I've hidden some secrets from you. I'm fearful to reveal. That's the last card. So they are hiding something from you which you have to know, but they still are very fearful of opening up, Okay, so that could be about their family life or something about their finances. I believe it's around their financial side or their family side, but they are definitely hiding something from you which they are very fearful of opening up. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for sign of Aries. So if this resonated, darling, please do consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel. I love you guys dearly, so please support the channel with your likes, your comments, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I post a lot of spiritual stuff, healing stuff, post like that are going to literally help you move on, okay, and move forward towards better things in life. So thank you so much for coming in, and see you soon, guys. Cheers. Love you all.